Head Note A. Bail. Bail Restricting Clause. Under ordinary circumstances, in a petition for bail, exercise of analysis of evidence not necessary. But in view of the restrictive provisions, some element of evidence analysis becomes inevitable. Head Note B. Bail. Bail Restrictive Clause. Invoked on the basis of materials with prima facie low probative value or quality. Same cannot denude the jurisdiction of a constitutional court in testing if continued detention in a given case would breach the concept of liberty enshrined in Article 21 of the Constitution. Head Note C. Bhima Koregaon Violence Case. Bail. Bail Restricting Clause. Appellants alleged to be active members of the banned organization, recruited cadre, raised funds for terrorist acts, and were part of a larger conspiracy attracting the offences. Held that in view of bail restricting clause, some element of evidence analysis becomes inevitable. Bail granted considering following facts. 1. Appellants are sought to be implicated through letters recovered from co-accused which are in the nature of hearsay evidence. No covert or overt terrorist act attributed to the appellants in the letters and by the witnesses. 2. Mere possession of the literature, even if the content thereof inspires or propagates violence, by itself cannot constitute any of the offences within Chapters 4 and 6 of the 1967 Act. 3. Appellants could be brought within the fold of the offence relating to membership of a terrorist organization, only when such intention to further the terrorist activities is established prima facie, which is missing. 4. No evidence of continued membership after the party was classified as a terrorist organization. Mere participation in seminars by itself cannot constitute an offence under the bail-restricting sections. 5. In absence of better evidence, the account statement is not credible enough to justify invoking the bail-restricting clause by attracting Section 40 of the 1967 Act. 6. Appellants are almost 5 years in detention. 7. Allegations against them are serious, but for that reason alone bail cannot be denied to them. 8. A bail-restricting clause cannot denude the jurisdiction of a constitutional court in testing if continued detention in breach the concept of liberty enshrined in Article 21 of the Constitution.